Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best tips and advice for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, we're diving into an exercise that's simple, yet incredibly effective: the plank. What will happen if you plank every day for just 1 minute? Stick around to find out all the amazing benefits and changes your body can experience. The plank is a core strength exercise that involves maintaining a position similar to a push-up for the maximum possible time. It's a great exercise because it engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. To get started, let's make sure we know how to perform a plank correctly. Proper form is essential for getting the most out of your plank and preventing injury. Start on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend your legs back one at a time and balance on your toes and hands. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Keep your back flat and don't let your hips sag or lift too high. Keep your head and neck neutral. Look down at the floor to maintain alignment. Hold this position, focusing on keeping your form intact. Now that we know how to plank correctly, let's dive into what happens if you plank every day for 1 minute. One of the most significant benefits of daily planking is improved core strength. Your core is involved in almost every movement you make, and a strong core is essential for good posture, balance, and overall stability. Planking targets the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, obliques, and the muscles in your back. Regular planking helps in strengthening these muscles, which supports better movement and reduced risk of injury. A strong core improves functional fitness, making everyday activities like lifting, bending, and even sitting easier and less straining on your body. With just 1 minute of planking every day, you'll start to notice a stronger core in just a few weeks. Good posture is crucial for avoiding back and neck pain and improving your overall appearance. Daily planking can significantly enhance your posture. Planking strengthens the muscles responsible for maintaining proper posture, including the erector spinae, rhomboids, and trapezius. With a stronger core, your spine is better supported, reducing the strain on your back muscles and encouraging a natural, upright posture. Improved posture not only reduces the risk of back pain, but also boosts confidence and presents a more poised appearance. Speaking of back pain, a strong core developed through planking can reduce the risk of back injuries. The core muscles support the spine, reducing the strain on your lower back during activities. Strengthening the core helps prevent common back issues such as lower back pain and herniated discs. By incorporating a daily plank into your routine, you're investing in a stronger, more resilient back. Did you know that planking can also boost your metabolism? While it might seem like a static exercise, planking engages multiple muscle groups, which can have a lasting impact on your metabolic rate. Engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously helps burn more calories even after the exercise is done. As your core and other muscles strengthen and grow, your body burns more calories at rest to maintain this muscle mass. With just 1 minute of planking a day, you're not only building strength, but also giving your metabolism a boost, which can help in weight management. Physical activity, even as simple as planking, has been shown to improve mental health by reducing stress and anxiety levels. Exercise, including planking, triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. Holding a plank requires focus and discipline, which can help improve mental clarity and reduce feelings of stress. Planking every day can be a great way to incorporate a moment of mindfulness into your routine, helping you feel more centered and relaxed. Balance and coordination are crucial for overall physical fitness and can be significantly improved through daily planking. Planking strengthens the stabilizing muscles in your core, hips, and shoulders, which are essential for balance and coordination. Regular planking improves proprioception, your body's ability to sense its position in space, which enhances coordination. Better balance and coordination can help you in all areas of life, from sports to daily activities, making you less prone to falls and injuries. Flexibility is another key benefit of daily planking, particularly in the posterior muscle groups. Planking stretches the muscles in your shoulders, hamstrings, and arches of your feet. Regular planking helps maintain the flexibility and mobility of your joints, reducing stiffness. Increasing flexibility can enhance your range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Lastly, planking every day helps build endurance, which is essential for overall fitness and stamina. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's talk about how to incorporate daily planking into your routine effectively. Begin with holding the plank for 15-30 seconds if you're new to the exercise, gradually working your way up to a full minute. Pick a consistent time each day to do your plank, such as after waking up or before bed. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to track your time and improvements. Celebrate your milestones to stay motivated. As you get stronger, try different variations like side planks, reverse planks, or plank with leg lifts to keep things interesting and challenging. If you plank every day for just 1 minute, you can experience a multitude of benefits, from improved core strength and posture to better mental health and flexibility. It's a small commitment with huge rewards. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.